what happens in brand deals is that depending on आपकी क्या reputation है for that particular industry, let's just say I make videos around AI, I make videos around business, and I also make videos around skills. तो जो भी companies हैं जो इसके अराउंड काम करती हैं, जो बेचती हैं इसके अराउंड, तो दे कम टू मी and they say that ki Ishan, we would love to work with you. Now I pick the companies which I want to work with, right? Like recently I got to work with Google. Today is Prime Day on Amazon, so I worked with Amazon Prime Day because they wanted me to highlight small businesses जो कि Amazon पे आकर के उनको revenue और मिल रहा है. So I thought that was a very good deal to do. Because it's a win-win, right? I love what Amazon is and I love to support small businesses, and so I went there and recorded 2 reels. So that was a good deal which I did. So इस तरह की काफ़ी सारी brand deals होती हैं that I do with companies that I love and want to grow. So because of that, we got to that number of 32.5 lakhs, and it involves podcasts, it involves these dedicated videos, and it also involves these reels and integrated segments. तो ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं इन द अम्ब्रेला ऑफ ब्रांड डील्स.
समझ गया. तो अभी 32.5 में से बताना कि कितना पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू था, कितना रील्स के थ्रू था और कितना डेडिकेटेड वीडियोस के थ्रू था.
श्योर. सो पॉडकास्ट में आई डिड 2 podcasts in that specific month which were paid. तो पेड में क्या होता है, बेसिकली there's a company who wants you to work with them. ये बहुत होता है. This is not just me. All the major podcasts which you see, majority of the podcasts that they do are paid. So is
this a paid podcast?
I'm talking about the biggest creators that you see who do podcasts, right? The biggest in India.
So you're saying I'm not the biggest?
No, you are. You are on a different league altogether. I don't consider you to be a creator.
Oh, okay.
I think of you as a founder.
Oh, wow. That's a good comeback. Yeah, go ahead.
तो इसमें क्या होता है, दे कम टू यू एंड दे से दैट कि हम चाहते हैं कि आप हमारे फाउंडर की स्टोरी कवर करो, एंड जो उनको प्लग करना है एंड में आप वो प्लग कर देंगे वहाँ पे.
बेसिकली कोई फाउंडर आएगा एंड क्रिएटर के पास जाएगा, बोलेगा आप पॉडकास्टर हो, क्रिएटर एज एन पॉडकास्टर, एंड उसको बोलेगा कि आप हमारा इंटरव्यू लो आपके चैनल पे, हम आपको इसके पैसे देंगे, राइट? तो ठीक है, ओके, गो अहेड.
एंड यू हैव नो आइडिया हाउ मच दे कैन एक्चुअली पे. There are creators who are charging upwards of 20 lakhs for one paid podcast.
Wow.
Right? 20 lakhs, that's a crazy amount. एक podcast के लिए जो आप देखते हो YouTube पे उनका, right? It doesn't look paid because it's their story, right? वो बोल रहे हैं चलो हम बात करते हैं founder of this company, and अच्छा है, मतलब उनकी story cover हो रही है. It's good for the audience to listen as well. But this is a paid podcast segment. उसके बाद आता है dedicated videos. तो कोई कंपनी आके बोलती है कि ईशान, we want you to make a complete dedicated video on this. For example, I work with Notion. So Notion reached out to me saying that actually I reached out to them when I was very small, and I was like, I love Notion. बहुत help हुई है मेरे को Notion से, and I would love for me to make a video with you and show it to my audience. I could do that without talking to them as well, but I thought कि I want to be in their good books, right? So I reached out to them, we collaborated, and because of that, because of me building a connection with them, अभी जब US जाऊँगा, I'll be interviewing their co-founder.
Wow.
Right? So Notion is a $10 billion company, and जस्ट बिकॉज मैंने वो उनके साथ एक बार मैसेज किया, एक कोलैबोरेशन किया, नाउ दे नो मी. तो मैंने उन्हें बोला कि आई एम फाइनली कमिंग टू US आफ्टर 4 years ऑफ वर्किंग रिमोटली. वुड लव टू मीट यू, वुड लव टू मीट द टीम एंड शूट अ पॉडकास्ट इफ पॉसिबल. अगेन, दिस इज अनपेड. आई जस्ट रियली वॉन्ट टू मीट दैम एंड डॉक्यूमेंट देयर स्टोरी ऑन माई चैनल, एंड सो दैट वॉज ओनली पॉसिबल क्योंकि मैंने उनसे बात करी. सो दैट इज हाउ ब्रांड डील्स वर्क.
करेक्ट. बट इसमें फिर कितना ब्रेकअप कितना था पॉडकास्ट रील्स और डेडिकेटेड वीडियो में 32.5 में से?
सो पॉडकास्ट का ब्रेकअप था 10 lakhs was podcast.
Okay.
Another 8 lakhs was dedicated. And the rest was integrated segments and reels, which I did, and a LinkedIn posts.
Okay. And how much would you charge for each of these segments? Let's say मैं एक brand हूँ and I want to collaborate with Ishan Sharma. Generally, like, what's the range you charge for all these buckets?
So I can't tell you that number because it's different for different people.
Okay. ठीक है. But what about reels and dedicated? उसका तो fixed होगा.
नहीं, fixed नहीं. Again, because there is no hidden cost. मतलब ऐसे कुछ cost नहीं है मेरी to make this reel, to make this podcast. So sky is the limit. Depends on how eager are they to work with you, right? तो कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि I did not want to work with them इतना ज़्यादा, but they're like, we'll pay you this much, we'll pay you this much. So they keep increasing the price. So that's how it works.
So what is the highest amount you have charged to a brand for a dedicated video or an Instagram reel?
Dedicated video, the highest I've charged is 6 lakhs.
Okay. And an Instagram reel?
Instagram reel is 4 lakhs.
And LinkedIn post?
1.5.
Got it. And is this subject to the subscribers, followers, or it's more towards the engagement की engagement कैसा है creator का? What would the brand look?
So there are two types of brands which come to me. The first brand which comes is like यार ईशान हम ना CPM की बात करते हैं वो.
What is CPM?
Basically they are like they are saying कितने impressions उनको दिखेंगे. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने वीडियो बनाई उस पर आए 50,000 व्यूज़. तो अब वो ब्रांड बोलती है कि हमारा CPM है 2, मतलब कि फॉर एवरी 1,000 व्यूज़ वी आर विलिंग टू गिव यू 2 रुपीज़. ठीक है, तो फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंग प्राइस डिसाइड होता है. तो दैट इज़ हाउ इट वर्क. समटाइम्स देयर लाइक कि हम 2 दे देंगे या फिर वी कैन एट मैक्स वी कैन स्ट्रेच टू 3, एंड दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स. बट सम ब्रांड्स आर लाइक वी जस्ट वांटेड टू मेक अ डेडिकेटेड वीडियो सो दैट अगर यूट्यूब पे सर्च करे कि दिस टूल ट्यूटोरियल ऐसा करके, सो माई वीडियो रैंक्स ओवर देयर, सो दे आर एबल टू build that content IP for them.
नहीं, but एक मिनट, CPM अगर 2 बोल रहा है तो
मतलब it's like per view, CPV actually.
CPV, हाँ,
हाँ,
exactly.
तो CPV होता है वो 2 का CPV, मतलब कि 50,000 व्यू है तो 1 लाख चार्ज कर सकता हूँ मैं. But I don't really work with brands who are like very conscious about CPV and all that, because अगर कोई ब्रांड है जिनका जैसे 3 लाख का प्रोडक्ट है, ठीक है, वो 3 लाख का प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे हैं, so them thinking about CPV कितना कॉस्ट आएगा is a bit weird, because even if they close one person in 50,000 views जो आए, they end up making 3 lakh rupees. And it's very easy for them to do that. If the topic is right, if the audience is right, if there is a intersection in that, so obviously they'll be able to make that. So then I charge based on what are my rates and how much impact can they get from my video, right? Like there was a brand for whom I worked, I charged them 2 lakhs and they made 40 lakhs of revenue from that.
Wow. And can you charge variable also in this case, since they made so much revenue? Can you tell them that some revenue share you have to give it to me?
हाइब्रिड बोलते हैं उसको. तो एक होता है अफिलिएट बेसिस पे काम, एक होता है अफिलिएट बेसिस के बाद होता है लमसम कॉस्ट, राइट? सो दिस इज माई लमसम चार्ज, आई चार्ज एक्स अमाउंट फॉर दिस, वी वर्क इफ यू से येस. तो दैट इज द सेकंड. बट द थर्ड वन इज हाइब्रिड. सो दिस इज वॉट दे डू. दे से दैट कि ओके लेट्स जस्ट से इफ यू चार्ज 100 फॉर लमसम, charge 70, and the rest we'll do affiliate, and the affiliate is unlimited. Depending on every sale that you close, you'll make some X amount. So I've done that as well. I've done that with companies, and it can work very well dependent on कि आप क्या बेच रहे हो, right? If it is the right thing that you're talking about and the audience clicks on that and they can actually afford it, you'll end up making a lot of money from that. Sometimes even more than what you lump sum charge जो था आपका.
Yeah, I think it depends on the results कि कितने sale हुआ.
US में बहुत होता है affiliate basis पे. They just they're fine with it, and because people are able to afford a lot, right? वहाँ पे people love to experiment. They have a lot of ऐसे income which is left in their account which they can spend. Discretionary spending जो बोलते हैं, right? So they can spend and they can experiment. So there it works very well, affiliate वाला.
Got it. So your majority source of revenue would be the brand deals.
Brand deals.
Got it. Fair.
Yes. And brand deals again, it's very fluctuating. ये तो पिछले महीने का था ऐसा, but हर महीना ऐसा नहीं होता है.
Right.
Right. तो it keeps changing a lot. कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि I made no money from brand deals. It was just AdSense. It has happened to me multiple times, and I'm okay with that. I know that it's a fluctuating. It's a business, right? हर time same नहीं होगा. कई बार ऐसा हुआ है I've made a lot of money. Other time I've not made any money at all. So it's wrong for you to say कि I make 35 lakhs a month. I don't. Last month I made that, but doesn't mean कि every month I'll make that. And plus expenses काफ़ी ज़्यादा होते हैं that I just mentioned. And obviously GST तो होता ही है उसके ऊपर से 35 lakh plus GST.
Yeah.
So I do that GST payment and just blows my mind.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.